Not enough minerals.
I've never seen a battle station like this. Mobius tech is something else. Only Zelnaga artifacts seem to affect it. I placed them in these trucks so they can disrupt each sector before it fires on Dominion colonies. But I'll need you to escort them.
Oh, SCV ready.
You'll find this sector just to the north of your position. Your buddy's truck's getting beat up. Protect your truck.
SCV ready.
The enemy's wrecked your truck. This is gonna take a while to fix. 2 spare trucks have been prepped for you.
Not enough minerals.
Bring your truck full of artifacts to this construct, and it'll shut down. I promise.
SCV ready. Go ahead.
Damn, your truck's gone. Don't worry, I've got more here somewhere. New truck's ready to hit the road.
SCV ready. What's going on?
Damn, your truck's gone. Don't worry, I've got more here somewhere. Well done. The construct's down. Got a replacement truck ready to go.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
What's going on?
Our allies are being
Your
attacked.
truck's in some trouble.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Our
There goes your
allies
truck.
are being attacked.
Time for the backup plan. I found another truck for you.
SCV ready.
Your buddy's truck's getting beat up.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Combat drop ready.
Our enemies provoke us. We will answer.
In the rear with the gear.
Clock's ticking, everyone. Good work. It's one less construct to deal with. The enemy's after your truck. The enemy's wrecked your truck. This is gonna take a while to fix. New truck's ready to hit the road.
Upgrade.
I live.
That's one truck down. Get to safety. It's about to blow.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. Move it. SCV ready.
Our enemies come. Strike swiftly.
Demolition complete. And we've delayed them from activating the battle station's weapons. My team scrapped together some new trucks. Focus on getting the trucks to the sector west of here. Protect your truck. Defend your allies' truck, will ya? Mobius Corps knows we're here, and they're transferring the weapons data from the outposts on this battle station. If you have a chance, steer your truck that way. It'll corrupt the data and stop it from ever being used elsewhere.
Medic.
Go ahead.
Not enough.
Damn, your truck's gone. Don't worry, I've got more here somewhere. Got a replacement truck ready to go.
Ah! Go ahead.
The enemy's after your truck.
Our allies.
Rise, primal worm.
Go ahead. Ben. What's going on?
Our allies are being attacked.
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
Come to battle, Mama.
Our allies are being attacked.
Enemies gather. We must withstand them.
There goes your truck. Time for the backup plan. I found another truck for you. Your friend's truck needs some help.
But
You did it. Construct's just rubble now.
Bonus objective completed.
The enemy's after your truck.
Easy.
Combat drop ready
Go
for
ahead.
deployment. Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base laser auto upgrade. Not enough.
Yeah.
I don't think that niggas in a bunch.
Our allies are being attacked.
Bad news, commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
Our allies are being attacked.
Make them kill that niggas in a bunch. Rise, primal worm.
Your friend's truck needs some help. Your truck's in some trouble.
Sending drop box now. I got something I think you'll like inside.
Listen, we have you on visual.
Yeah?
Good work. That's one less construct to deal with. Now for the other truck.
Your forces are under attack.
Hurry up before it goes up in flames.
Yeah? Oh, just peachy. Got a wave of enemies gunning for us.
Attack.
There are 2 additional sectors to detonate.
Kill, maim, destroy.
Both of your trucks have arrived. Head east and you'll find the sector before you know it.
Go ahead.
Explorer reporting.
Don't get your nick.
Transmit all.
Yeah?
These research outposts are transferring their data so they can build additional weapons elsewhere. If you have time to escort your truck to them, it'll disrupt the connection. Consider it a target of opportunity. Protect your truck. Your buddy's truck's getting beat up. The enemy's targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out. Well done. construct's down. The enemy's wrecked your truck. This is gonna take a while to fix.
Complete.
Got a replacement truck ready to go. Bad news, Commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
We have you on visual.
The enemy's after your truck.
The enemy is near. Kill.
Your friend's truck needs some help.
Our allies are being attacked.
The enemy's wrecked your truck. This is gonna take a while to fix.
Research.
I found another truck for you.
Yeah?
Upgrade complete. Our allies are being attacked.
Yeah?
Niggas in a bunch.
You did it. Construct's just rubble now. You'd better hustle if you want to stop that research outpost, Commanders. Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon. Your buddy's truck's getting beat up. Your truck's in some trouble.
Yeah?
The first truck's in place.
What's going on?
Upgrade complete.
Move out of the blast radius, quickly.
Yeah? Okay. I'm waiting.
The enemy hunts us, but they shall be the hunted.
You on visual.
Well, there's nothing left of that sector. Now it'll take them longer to fire the battle station.
Nice work. The objective's in smithereens.
My team strapped together some new trucks. I'm trusting you to get the trucks to this sector.
Okay. Don't get your niggas in a bunch.
The enemy's after your truck.
Okay.
Upgrade complete.
Roger.
Yeah?
Need something to load up? Come on. Greetings, Command. Don't get your niggas in a bunch.
Defend your ally's truck, will ya? Well done. The construct's down.
Upgrade complete.
Roger.
The enemy's wrecked your truck. This is gonna take a while to fix. The enemy's targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out. You're not gonna believe this. The outpost just went silent. That's good, I think. Got a replacement truck ready to go.
Come on.
Your truck's in some trouble.
Got an enemy attack inbound on our base, buddy.
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
Get your niggas.
Your buddy's truck's getting beat up.
I am heavy, man.
Need something blown up?
Got something for me.
Тут киянников
Our allies
сенапать.
are being attacked.
Roger. Move it, move it. Okay.
Hollow mother. Destroy.
The enemy's targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out. The enemy's after your truck.
Got it. Calling down a special delivery now.
Good work. One less construct to deal with.
Come, worm.
Open. Yeah. Easy. Roger.
That's one truck down.
Your forces are under attack.
Well, butter my biscuit.
Don't know what I would have done if you hadn't happened along, Commanders. Thank you.